is just a test of the GoPro that I've picked up for car racing. I know I got a couple of model lovers on my channel, but I gotta believe most of y'all are there for the actual full-scale car racing. So we are heading over to my so I've got a roll bar mount. It's just any of you sick yet? There we go. So the only thing I got for the camera right now is a roll bar mount, so I've literally got it clamped on the steering wheel of my truck because I don't know how else to do it currently, and this is just to need a test run, so this video is going to be terrible. I apologize to all involved. But, you know, I'm not a technophobe like a lot of people think, but I'm not exactly tech savvy per se. So it's kind of on me to, are we still recording? I think we are. Yeah, we are, okay. Anyways, what I was gonna say was I'm not a technophobe like a lot of people think I am. I'm just not that tech savvy. So I've got to kind of, you know, learn as I go. And I just don't have this urge to have the latest and greatest technology. If something works, and I just kind of leave it be. So yeah, I'm messing with the voice commands, I'm messing with the cell phone, oh good grief, the tethering, is that what you call it today? The app? Whatever. Point being is I'm out of date on a lot of stuff, and it's just going to take me a little bit here to get caught up to people. So, I mean, yeah. The cameras, the GoPros, if anyone's still with me at this point, I kind of doubt it. So I picked up a GoPro. A lot of our previous videos were done with a Hoyt camera. They were our sponsor for a couple of years. They have since stopped sponsoring us because they've kind of gotten out of making cameras. They're now doing archery stuff now. I think they did that beforehand too. And originally they were going to try to take a swing at GoPro and try to be a GoPro alternative. It didn't work for them, so they kind of lost interest in sponsoring a car racing team, and that's fine. You know, they gave us free cameras, a lot of money. I'm not going to badmouth them for calling it quits when the so the goal here is that I've got a GoPro now, so the videos will be better quality because this is a Hero 7 Silver, so it's a better camera by quite a few years and generations. The other thing is, a lot of the racing organizations like the World Racing League, they require a camera in the car, so they don't have, if anyone's driving like a knob or whatever, they actually have the ability to look at, you know, they'll have multiple camera angles to look at things and go, okay, what's happening here, or what happened if in the case of an accident or whatever. So it's legit, like, you need a camera in the car to go racing in some of the series now. So yeah, we are, I'm trying to think, it's like 3 weeks away now. We're planning on doing the 24 Hours of Lemons race at Gingerman Raceway, the Tony Swan Memorial Race. Big shout out to Tony Swan, cool guy, and if I can live my last few years like he did, I'd be doing all right, is what I'll say about him. We raced with him and his team. You know, they did have a comedy of errors here and there, but they were pretty good guys. I ain't got much bad to say about them, and I really appreciate them coming down, giving the races some coverage and so forth, so that's awesome. And yeah, we were going to do the race at Brainerd, Minnesota, BIR Raceway, and it got canceled, unfortunately, so we had to go to Plan B, and Plan B was we're going to run at Gingerman in Michigan. I like both, don't get me wrong, folks. I like Brainerd better, just because the course is more fun to race on, but Gingerman's awesome. If you get a chance to race at Gingerman Raceway, whether it's a track night, a track day, club race, whatever, Lemons, do it. Gingerman's awesome. Good people, good facilities, and the racetrack is amazing too. It's got a really good layout for passing and racing, and it's got a ton of runoff. So if something bad happens, the odds of you wadding your car up at Gingerman are really slim. So don't be afraid to take something fast out there. The last time I was there, there was a McLaren out there, a Lotus Super 7. For the track day, some goofball brought a Dodge Demon, which I'm just like, excuse me? But, you know, hey, how he enjoys it is how he enjoys it, and I'm not going to fault a man for doing stuff like that. I don't know if that made the video, but there was a Dukes of Hazzard Orange Mustang there on the right that was pretty sharp looking. It's overcast and kind of crummy today, so not expecting to see a lot of good cars out. But okay, I suppose that's enough for now. We'll take another video here shortly, but I'm going to test the voice controls again. Here we go. GoPro, stop recording.